Hey everyone, this is candidalouis. Welcome back to my channel. I just got back from my European ride and what an incredible adventure I've had. I just got back to India and came back to this lovely goodie from Insta360, and today's video is all about this. So this is Insta360 ONE X2, and today I'm going to unbox and show you what all it contains and a few clips of me using it. So I've used the Insta360 in Romania when I was riding along with the ADV travel bug girls, and it was such a sleek device and so easy to use. I've been using the Insta360 ONE R for about a year and a half, and I think that I'm going to enjoy using this new device, and I can't wait to show you. So I just unboxed the Insta360 ONE X2, and as you can see, it's a really small camera. It fits in the palm of my hand and it has a screen in the front. It's super lightweight and it feels very sturdy, and the box contains a pouch so that the Insta360 is safe on your travels. It fits into your pocket or your waist pouch when you're riding, so it's really safe. It also comes with a microfiber cloth to wipe the lens, and yeah, I still haven't used it yet, but I can't wait to see what this small pocket-sized camera has in store for me, and I can't wait to share the footage with you. But from what I've read, this camera is now waterproof and it can be taken down to 10 feet. Yeah, it has a very good stabilization feature. Also, it comes with a selfie stick, an invisible selfie stick, and it captures 360 footage. The brilliant part about this is when you're riding solo and don't have someone to take videos or photos of you, this is very, very helpful in that situation, because it gets the motorcycle, it gets you, and it gets all the scenery around and the 360 degrees. So it's a fantastic device, and stay tuned for more interesting videos from me.